Right, do, re, mi, fa, sol, ti, do, re. Am I not incredibly talented? Welcome to anArtsyHema, where we talk about whatever I want, really. Name's Hema. How you doing? Hope your day's been going well. Hope your day's been going fine. So what are we talking about today? Something. I don't have like a ton of I mean, I'm not like struggling for clothes or anything. I don't have like a walk-in closet or something like that. Like a lot of pieces that I have, like this I've had for years, things like that. And I feel like a lot of people, they struggle on exactly how to create outfits that are new, unique, look interesting, but with older clothes that they have. It is a struggle. So I'm going to today make a small little video of a few things that help me create interesting new outfits, including the one that I'm wearing now. It had shoes. Let me go get the shoes. Shoes. These are sneaker heels. I wore it with this outfit. I think it looks good. Let's get started. So one, this is already incredibly, not that complex, but like something that is not necessarily like 100% common knowledge. Learn color theory. As somebody who's drawn and done art like my entire life, me in post, put my art here, put it here, it'll be here. You have to learn as an artist like how to make certain colors work together, especially that's very important in character design, where you don't want characters having super duper clashing colors, or at least if colors do clash, they clash in like a good or realistic way. Why are you on low power mode? That's rude. I am going to now switch over to Hema, who will explain a little bit better than I am exactly how color theory works, at least for beginners, and how you can make unique looks with color theory.
Color theory is very simply the study of color and how certain colors fit together. Usually the color wheels are used as a simple way of showing the relationship between different colors. The RBY color wheel and RGB color wheel are the two most prominent. Both are similar, but depending on which one you're using, green or yellow switch from being a primary color to a secondary color. RBY to me looks more artsy because those are the primary colors that are taught in art classes, while RGB may give more of an electric feel since those are the colors that are used to adjust computers. In RBY, the secondary colors that are made from primary colors, are purple, green, and orange, while in RGB, the primary colors are cyan, magenta, and yellow. Important to note, printers use cyan, magenta, and yellow as their primary colors, and that can act as an alternative color wheel. Some simple color matches include complementary, where a primary color is matched with the secondary color of the two remaining primary colors. Big mouthful. A favorite of mine is yellow and blue. Another is a triad match, where three colors that form a triangle on the color wheel are matched together. This is easier to do for secondary and tertiary colors in my opinion because they aren't as strong together, but you can definitely match primaries if you want to look extra flashy. Last that I'll show is an analogous match, where you match colors that are very similar to each other on the color wheel, usually three colors that are right next to each other.
So using the outfit that I have on right now, this bracelet that I just put on was not part of it, and it doesn't go with the rest of what I'm wearing, so I'm gonna put it over here now. I really like this though. It was a very nice gift. I actually painted my nails today. I painted my nails. This is like kind of reddish pink color. The ring finger is just like plain red. They used to be green before I redid them because I'm trying to grow out my nails because I bite them. I decided like these are an integral part of this look. If you look at the color wheel, I'm gonna put a color wheel somewhere over here. Red and green, which is the other main prominent color that I'm wearing, are complementary to each other on most, I'm pretty sure, at least the type of color wheel that I was looking at. I tried to be like, okay, these are going to be the main prominent colors with each other, and even though they kind of like clash with each other, they clash with each other in a very natural way because of where they are located relative to each other on the color wheel. The earrings that I'm wearing are also kind of red. It's hard to see here, but they do have red gems on them. Number 2, learn how to do your makeup. I'm not wearing a bunch of makeup today. I just got lipstick on. Learning how to do your makeup is something that I've learned at least over quarantine because I was bored and I wanted to do it. It is it's very helpful actually. It carries a lot of outfits if you wanted to, and it is a way cheaper and effective way to make your face and yourself look unique without having to actually buy clothing. So I have my palettes here. This is an anArtsyHema palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's got a bunch of unique colors, but also a few that are like good for like just a regular smoky eye or something like that. So like I'd recommend getting a palette like this that has some brighter unique colors and then some regular old colors as well. I also have this this 39L Hit the Lights by Morphe. I don't know how ethical Morphe is as a company, but I know that I use them. I got this on sale like for 25 bucks. It's really good because this has a bunch of different unique colors too, but also a lot of muted colors as well. I very much like it, and like it'll last for like who knows how long. Like these two palettes that I have, like both really well quality. So if you get like quality makeup and then just keep it for a long time, that'll carry a lot of looks for you. Also with the color theory thing, you could also add something with that too. I could have done like an eyeshadow look or something, but I was going to the doctor today. What do I need that for? No, it's so dark outside all of a sudden. But so the sun has dissipated. It's left my chamber. But what do I need the sun for when I am already radiant? Number 3, I think this is gonna be the last thing that I have because I wanted to make this video like relatively short and I have a bunch of things I have to cut down. Learn to accessorize, which is where all this stuff comes in handy. Let me get my jewelry box. Learn to accessorize. I have these earrings that we got at like Macy's. They were on sale for like $2, and I was like, Mom, I've got a bunch of different necklaces, things like that. And just accumulating a bunch of jewelry, necklaces, other things to have. I've got socks. They're supposed to be thigh highs, but I have large thighs, so they're more like below the knee highs to make sure that I'm not like cutting off my circulation. These earrings that I have, the rainbow, I really like them. There are like a bunch of places where you can get like really nice, really cheap accessories. Like on Amazon, you can look in department stores like Macy's, Dillard's. They've got a bunch of like nice cheap things, honestly. I got this on Amazon. This is my belt choker that I've got. I want a new one, but I've had this one for years and it's very good because of a lot of different accessories, a lot of different outfits. If you also have a lot of different accessories, then you know how to add them to certain outfits and different occasions. One thing that I have is I have these star necklaces that I did with an outfit yesterday. Me and Post put the outfit here. But it was star themed since I have a bunch of star necklaces, star chokers. Those are also really good and cheap ways that you can make your outfits look a little bit more unique. I just thought of another step while I was here that I thought would be like really helpful because it was helpful for me. Look on things like Pinterest, Instagram. If you have TikTok, I don't have TikTok, but if you have TikTok, look at people there to get style inspiration. Use what you have to make that your own, which is something that I see has made it like a lot of people say like that my style is super unique, super like statement heavy, because like I use what I have from inspiration that I have from other people, and that is also very helpful. So that is the video. That's what I've got going on. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you like, comment, subscribe. please make sure that the algorithm gods smile down upon me. And I shall see you another time. Thanks for existing.